Hey guys, welcome back to UDCYD. So you've set up your Alibaba account, filled in all your information accurately, and you've used the tips and tricks I've given you to find suppliers. So you found your suppliers and now you're bombarded with all these terms. So these following terms that you encounter are called Incoterms, such as EXW, FOB, CIF, and so forth. So in my videos, I'm going to try and explain them as simple as possible. But first, what are Incoterms? Incoterms are terms that the buyer and seller both agree to during international transactions. Easy, right? So these are basically a set of international rules. This is when the seller's costs and risks are transferred to the buyer. So in the following Incoterms, you'll be able to see this transference of cost and risk. So I'm positive you've counted a variety of these Incoterms and are curious to know what they are. So first things first, we're going to touch on EXW.